Hi, Blossom. Teddy and Duff are once again camera hogs. Oh, are you going to get Cashmere? Teddy, you are a pest. Teddy, let's go. What are you eating, you weirdo? Come on over here. Come on over here. Teddy and Duff, get up here. Teddy? Duff. Oh, look at such well-trained doggies. And Libby Lou! Libby Lou says, I'm getting the heck out of here. Teddy and Duff. Teddy and Duff. Oh, look at you two. So, Billy. And there's Cashmere. Teddy and Duff. Adopt them together. Adopt them together. Yay. Oh, and Cashmere too.